After we posted this video, some questions came into the office about what can we do with this model. One of the questions was, does the new laser module with DezignWorks that creates a surface, can you validate with a laser? The answer is yes. Simply pick the laser validation. It asks you to select a model or surfaces. Pick the surface. I'm going to leave the grid size about the same size as I scanned it. I also can actually say containment and generate a report. So I'm going to actually check these little indentations. I'm not too worried about these big flat areas. So let's come over here and we'll take a quick scan. We're pulling the trigger on the device, scan the area. You can back up, overlap, pull the trigger to stop. Now could we scan the whole thing? Of course. For the sake of the video length for posting these, I'm going to keep it short. Just to show you how fast you can do this. Again, native SolidWorks model. We'll go ahead and generate the report. So now that we created that model, we're going to go ahead and answer some questions. And again, the question was, can we validate it? If you haven't seen the first video, you might want to go back and watch it. It was creating this whole model, native inside SolidWorks. And it's a native SolidWorks surface. It's completely scanned, built live. So about 6,000. Some other questions came up. All right, if it's a SolidWorks model, that's just a surface. And yes, it is. Well, can we thicken it? Let's go do it. A little piece we stuck in was just to show how we could do up to surface. So we're going to come in here and we're going to say insert, boss base. We're going to thicken the model. We know the material is about 30 thousandths. Simply pick the face and we'll go ahead and thicken it. Zoom in so you can see the edges. Laser scan it directly inside SolidWorks. Now we thickened it. Other questions that came up. Could you make a drawing? Sure. Let's go make a drawing. We'll just drop it on a drawing sheet. The question was, can I dimension this and use it? Because it was a scanned data file. Everyone's used to importing, STL files and things, and they can't do anything with it. So let's go ahead and drop it on the drawing sheet. You can get all your views of the model. Again, drag and drop. The key is because it's a native SolidWorks model. We can go ahead and make a solid out of them. So if you want to make this into a solid, all the same drawing tools apply. Question was, can I dimension it? Of course. Because there's no importing, and it's all native, you can do anything you want to do with the model. Let's go back to the model. You can slice it any way you want. Any section view, get a slice. Again, it's a native SolidWorks model, so anything you want to do with it, you can. So there, we've answered the questions. Can you validate it? Yes. Can you make a report? Yes. Can you thicken the model? Yes. Can you make a drawing? Yes. And can you use a section slicer. Tune in next week for more of the new DezignWorks laser scanning module. Have a great day.